Shoot, and you could just
With
fire
Buck's
off
Adventure,
the
this
ground
is
just to
my
see how
grandson
short
shooting Tannerite out in the desert for the first time. He was shooting 3-pound barrels. If you like this kind of content, give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.
There you go. Heck yeah.
All right, now I'm gonna shoot at the orange.
Okay. Sweet. Dang. Okay, hold up. Keep it pointed that way.
Keep it pointed down range. Whatever feels hot. Come on, Aiden.
Sweet. Another dead eye.
Hold it straight downwind. It's still alive. So you can see where it dials in at. Like that. Okay, now you can aim at that. Oh, you knocked it down.
Oh, nice. Good shot, buddy.
Thank
Oh,
you.
look at that smoke cloud. Safety's off.
Pound barrel of Tannerite that I shot, and we were about 75 to 100 yards back, and we could actually feel the sound wave and
Look at that.
concussion
Isn't
hit
that
us
crazy?
back. It
Look
was,
at that
it
dust
was
cloud,
something
dude.
else to feel.
Man.
Oh.
Did you feel that concussion
Yeah.
come at
Yeah,
you?
we did. Yeah.
Safety off. Sight on.
Hey guys, this is Buck with Buck's Adventures. Hey, if you like this kind of content, give me a thumbs up, and we appreciate it, and thanks for watching.
Woo!